Come here. Come here, Shelby. Uh-oh. Come on. What are you doing? Getting on your car? It's faster than walking? Huh? Oh, you're chalking the wheels. What are you doing crawling, Goofy? There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Come here, baby girl. Look at you go. That's about 10 or 12 steps you just did. Yeah. You did good. You done good, baby. You need to learn how to walk. That means you can run fast from them boys sooner. That's alright. We'll get that running part down. Dad's gonna help you out with that. Oh, baby girl. Look at you go. You just walk all the way across the living room. Holy moly. Alright, baby. You did good. Daddy loves you. Yeah, your daddy loves you.